Restoration St. Louis Incorporated was selected by the Lake Wales Community Redevelopment Agency to restore the Walesbilt Hotel. The announcement comes after 2 qualified developers gave presentations to the CRA Board of Directors and Lake Wales residents. Award-winning real estate and redevelopment firm Restoration St. Louis Incorporated has big plans for the city's iconic Walesbilt Hotel. Representatives with the firm have more than 30 years of experience, known for redeveloping many historic hotels. Rated 4 diamonds by AAA, also part of the Marriott Tribute portfolio and Marriott Autograph collection. A few examples include Hotel St. Louis, designed by Louis Sullivan, and Hotel Blackhawk in Davenport, Iowa. President of Restoration St. Louis and CEO of Innkeeper Hospitality Services, Amrit Gill, dived deep into the cultural importance of historic buildings such as the Walesbilt Hotel.
So we've had the honor of working on a Daniel Burnham building, a Gentry building, a Louis Sullivan, Frank Lloyd Wright, William Beatner, etc. And what really the common thread to all those buildings is that those old buildings are the repositories of the stories of our people, of the communities that they're in. And when you lose those buildings, you lose those stories, which is why Amy and I have had the same mission for over 30 years now. For 31 years, our mission has been to strengthen and enhance the communities we operate in by redeveloping historic neighborhoods, making them great places to live, work, and play.
So what comes next? Architects will use high-tech scanners to create digital records for restoration, preservation, and analysis. Next comes the design phases, submission of construction documents and permitting, and then construction begins. Amy Gill, the CEO of Restoration St. Louis and president of Checkmate Design, told me a lot of passion goes into the design phase, a key design principle called sympathetic restoration.
Bringing that building to a place where when people go into it, they feel like they have been there before. Their mother had their wedding there. Their grandmother had their wedding there. They can look at the pictures of their parents' wedding and say, oh my gosh, it looks the same. It looks like the heart of our community. It functions as a big part of our community, right? So it's not just about, you put green or you put blue or whatever. It's about designing it so that people feel comfortable and they feel like they're in a place that their heart responds to.
Nostalgia.
Right? Your nostalgia, your memories, somewhere that your heart responds to. I think that's the biggest thing that we try to do in design.
The construction process is approximated at 24 months and may change due to adverse weather conditions. For more information on Restoration St. Louis, check out their website at restorationstl.com. It features tons of before and after images of various restoration projects. Stay connected with us on social media, subscribe to us on Nextdoor, and tune in to us on YouTube.